One of MS Selma's greatnesses was her divine rendering of shlokas that are heard around the world. We start our day with MS Selma shlokas, so we will render Meenakshi Panchratnam as our tribute to her.
This was composed by Sri Adi Shankaracharya and it is rendered as a Ragamalika. Utyadbhanu sahasra koti sadrisha Keyurahārojvala Bimboshtim smitadantapanktiruchira Pītāmbaralankrita Vishnu Brahma Surendra Sevitapada Tattvasvarupam Shivam Meenakshim Pranatosmi Santatamaham Karunyavarānidhim Muktahara Lasat Kirita Ruchiram Purnendu Vaktra Prabham Shinjannu Purakinkini Manidharam Padma Prabhabhasuram Sarvabhishtapaladam Girisutam Vani Rama Sevitam Meenakshim Pranatosmi Santatamaham Karunyavarānidhim Shri Vidyam Shivavamabhaganilayam Hrimkara Mantrojvalam Shri Chakrankita Bindu Madhyavasatim Srimatsabhanayakim Srimat Shanmukha Vignaraja Jananim Srimat Jaganmohinim Meenakshim Pranatosmi Santatamaham Karunyavarānidhim Srimat Sundara Nayika Bhayaharam Jnanaprada Nirmala Shyamabham Kamalasana-chitapadam Narayanasya Anujam Veena Venu Mridanga Vadhyarasika Nanavidadambika Meenakshim Pranatosmi Santatamaham Karunyavarānidhim Nānayogi Munindra Hrinnivasatim Nānata Siddhipradam Nāna Pushpa Virajitagrayugalam Narayane Nachitam Nada Brahmamayim Parat Parataram Nanata Tattvatmikam